So good evening to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about HFCL share. So we know that there are few updates related to this particular stock, especially from the SEBI related to the volumes that have increased in the past few trading sessions. So we know the stock has also given some very good momentum in the short span of time. So on that particular note, SEBI has questioned HFCL regarding the volume spike that was seen in this particular stock. And HFCL also has given a confirmation regarding the movement which was generated, and nothing to worry about that. So we'll discuss what would be the next possible levels on technical charts, and the same way we'll also try to compare the deliveries on monthly basis, like how they are fluctuating, so that we'll also have the complete idea regarding the stock movement. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and do join the Telegram group so that you'll not miss any instant updates. Okay, so moving further towards the update of HFCL that is provided in the BSE website. So you can also download this particular PDF document. So in there, you can clearly see that it has mentioned that whatever the movement which was seen in the stock, especially the increase in volume, it has told that there is no material information followed by announcements pending, and whatever the movement was seen in the stock was only due to market driven. So this is very simple statement which was provided in the stock. And SEBI, not only for HFCL, so on regular basis it tries to watch the stocks, like in short span of time, whichever stock is giving a huge momentum, so there it tries to ask the management why that much momentum has been released. Okay, so we know HFCL is rallying only because of the 5G, whatever the 5G news is being running in the market. So not only HFCL, whatever the stocks we have seen earlier like HPL, Sterlite Tech, so all these companies, especially which are in the region of optical fiber and all these segment, so already they started rallying because 5G is going to be the next biggest project in our country. So that is the one of the major reason why the stock was continued its rally. So when we go to the delivery section, so there also you will understand on monthly basis itself, so volatility was present in the stock. So that is one of the reason. So not to worry about this. So many times these type of updates get released. So earlier we know for many stocks, whenever huge momentum is present, so SEBI automatically tries to investigate. So that is their responsibility. So we need to take the opportunity whenever any stock is available at low region. So that is what I can say. So quickly let's go to delivery section and then we'll go to the charts. Okay, so when you see the day-to-day wise deliveries in HFCL, so you can see on 25th June we have seen 41.8% deliveries, and the stock has corrected 3.1%. So this might be the one of the reason where we have seen the profit booking, and already the stock was also in overbought region. So you can take those things as also one of the reason why the stock has corrected a little bit. But you need to understand deliveries are increasing, so nobody is losing the opportunity. They're trying to buy even in that particular regions, so that they will have a very good average price. So if you see last 3 days trading sessions, so that time we know little bit of consolidation was present for 2 days. It was trying to respect that 65 rupees level. So after coming down a little bit below 65, so little bit of downtrend whatever we have seen in the last trading session, so that has increased a little bit and it has gone to 3.1%. So earlier it was in continuous momentum 16%, 10%. So on back-to-back days it has given some very good green movement, but that is necessary because this particular stock, after having a huge moment, it tries to correct a little bit, consolidates near the levels before any sort of again starting a new rally. So we need to take the opportunity. So now let's go to technical charts and we'll see what are the next possible levels. Okay, so I forgot to show you about the monthly deliverables. So you can see monthly wise how much deliveries and what is the traded quantity, followed by how much percent the stock has moved. So that is also clearly visible. So whatever the app I'm using, so clearly I explained in my secondary channel Stocks Journey Education, so that also you can definitely watch it. So app name is Stockage. So this is very much essential if you want to do any sort of technical followed by fundamental analysis as well. So here you can see in June month we have seen 42.8% stock movement, and 25% okay average deliveries in HFCL. So earlier also we know little bit of volatility was present, but this particular month the stock was also little volatile. Okay, so when we go to the 1 week chart, so there you can see a big green candle has been formed. So if you see the back testing of HFCL, so we know a continuous back-to-back momentum would be present. So whenever this type of breakout happens, and in the same way, it also tries to consolidate for a certain period of time before showing some huge momentum. So already whatever the huge candle, clearly you can see that has been formed. But after crossing the 70 rupees level, so we have seen little profit booking in that particular zone. So you can take 70 as a very strong resistance in the coming sessions. And the same way, what is the support? So 64 rupees level is going to be very important region. The stock is trying to hold it as much as it can, but you need to focus that level very importantly if you want to do any sort of fresh investment. And the same way, if you go to money flow index, so that is in 94. Okay, still that is in overbought region. So it is a stock which continuously remains in that region. So nothing to worry about that. Already it is traveling in that region for so many weeks. So clearly you can see that. Okay, so when you see the 1 day chart, so there you can see the same level where the 65, 64, the stock was trying to hold it. So again, tomorrow, those particular regions will be very, very important. So resistance wise, as I told, 70 rupees. And if it crosses that, we have 79 as the next immediate pivot target. So these are the regions that you need to focus. So since little bit of profit booking is seen at the top levels, so better you may wait a little bit. And if it get at the low levels, you can average in this particular stock. So nothing to worry about whatever the news are running. So those are temporary. So if you try to create the panic situation, so that is not good. So you need to understand why the particular updates are being released. So that is only because of the market momentum it has asked that. So nothing major. It is not for forcing the company why it has done like that. So nothing like that. So only you need to take the opportunity whenever any stock is showing the correction. So that is the best thing whatever we can do in stock market. So if we go a little bit down and if you see money flow index in daily chart time frame, so that is in 81. So it has corrected a little bit from 90 region, it has come to 81. So support wise, so first is 64, after that we have 59. So these are going to be the near term supports that you need to watch out. So further, if you're having any doubts, you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram. Instagram ID is StocksDerivity. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.